what's left.
The 2024 Arkana is Renault's latest model to adopt a revised company logo, and comes with black, satin chrome or dark chrome accents depending on trim level. Other subtle changes include partially tinted headlights and dark accents replacing silver. This is combined with an E-Tech full hybrid setup with 145 horsepower derived from a 94 horsepower 1.6-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine working in conjunction with a 36 kilowatts electric motor and 15 kilowatts starter generator. Renault installed a 1.2 kilowatt-hours battery.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.